Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a full Google Drive folder with all the file inside. So now, maybe you have already tried to right click on the folder looking for a copy or duplicate button, but it's not right there. And even if you try to open all the folder, highlights the file, still no option to copy the full things directly. So here's what you can do. And first go to main folder, the one you want to copy. Right click on it, then click download. And now Drive will zip the folder. That means it's going to package it into a single zip file before downloading. And it may take few seconds depending on how big the folder is. And once done, save it, and I'm saving it to my download folder. Now go to File Explorer and you will see the zip file there, and it's look like a folder with a little zip on it. Right click on it and extract all, and I choose the location, it's just in my download, and that's fine. So after it's done extracting, you will get a normal folder, and when you right click on it, all your documents are still there. Now go to Google Drive. All you have to do is just to duplicate it and go to New, then click Folder Upload, and then find the folder you extract. It should be in the download or wherever you just save it. Now click Upload, then click Upload again. Now Google Drive will now upload that whole folder with all your file inside, just like the original one. So once that's done, you can now right click and rename to something like example docs copy. And hit OK. And that's it. You have now successfully duplicated a Google Drive folder with all of its files. And I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.